show you the Printable Cherry Blossom Mini Book when it's all put together. I haven't done a lot of embellishing. I've just added in the little embellishments that were in the kit. So this is it. This is the Cherry Blossom Mini Book, which measures approximately 3 by 5 inches. And it's a printable mini book, scrapbook, mini album, whatever you want it to be. And I have a tutorial video on how I put it together. So this is the finished mini. A couple of little some of the ephemera there. Pages. Postcard in there, little tickets, more little tags, there's a little envelope here. I've just added the circle as a little closure, and I've just got a couple of writing cards inside there, turning spots. Back in there. And so guys, every month, I'm going to start, this is the first of a series that's just going to be printable of the month, and or it'll either be the month or maybe printable of the week, yeah, where I'm going to do a tutorial with one of my printables. Usually it will be a new one, but sometimes it may not be. And it's not necessarily going to be a junk journal or a mini book. It could be any sort of a tutorial. So that's a teeny tiny envelope there. Another little postcard. With the other little circles, made this one into a little tab. I put another little envelope there. That's one of my little printable coin envelopes, which is in another one of my template kits. And it's a good size for putting in your little photos, say of if you've got a little Instax camera. A good size for putting those little photos in. You can cut down other pictures and write in it, do whatever you want. So that's the Cherry Blossom Printable Mini Book. I hope you like it. Thanks guys, see you soon.